This video is about compensation on voluntary retirement. We are discussing the special kinds of payments received by an employee at the time of retirement or at the time of leaving the service, and what is the taxation treatment of that special kinds of payments. There are certain special payments at the time of retirement like gratuity, commuted pension and pension, earned leave, encashment, etc., which also includes compensation on voluntary retirement. So that is coming under retirement salaries, income from salaries, retirement salaries. Compensation on voluntary retirement is coming under section 1010C. Any payment received or receivable by an employee of a public sector company, other company, statutory authority, local authority, cooperative society, university, IIT, any state government, central government, an institution having importance throughout India or in any state or states as the central government may notify in this behalf, any notified institute of management. That is the first set. A. B. In case of public sector company, a scheme of voluntary separation shall be exempted up to a specified limit. The amount of compensation on voluntary retirement is exempted to the extent of the least of the following four items. Okay, there are four items. In case of an employee who is receiving a compensation on voluntary retirement, the least of these following four items will be exempted from income tax. So, what are the four items? First item is the amount equivalent to 3 months' salary for each year of service. The amount equivalent to 3 months' salary for each year of completed service. Second item is salary at the time of retirement into the balance of service left before the date of his retirement in months. Simply, salary at the time of retirement into balance of service in months. Third one is the amount received, and fourth one the maximum statutory limit, that is rupees 5 lakhs. So there are four items. First item is the amount equivalent to 3 months salary for each year of completed service. Second item, salary of the last month into months of service left. Third item, amount received from the employer, and last item is the notified limit, that is rupees 5 lakhs. Here salary means salary for HRA. Salary for HRA means basic salary plus DA forming part of salary, or if it is given under the terms of employment, and commission based upon the fixed percentage of turnover. Three items constitute the item salary here. Okay, we are moving to a question now. John is employed in a public company and is paid a sum of rupees 6 lakhs on voluntary retirement from service. The normal age of retirement in the company is 60, and John, who was 45 at the time of retirement, had completed 20 years of service. The question is clear to you. 6 lakhs is the amount received on voluntary retirement by Mr. John. Normal age of retirement of the company is 60 years. At the age of 45, Mr. John had a voluntary retirement and he completed 20 years of service at that time. 45 years ആവുമ്പോൾ he took a voluntary retirement. At that time, he had a completed years of 20 years of service. Salary at the time of retirement was as follows: basic pay 10,000, dearness allowance 6,000 rupees, 50 percentage is includable for pension, means 50 percentage is under the terms of employment, that is counted for retirement benefits. HRA 3,000, conveyance allowance rupees 800. What is the amount of compensation taxable under this act? Compensation received on voluntary retirement what is the taxable portion of that amount. Actually, he received 6 lakhs. What portion of that 6 lakhs is taxable and what is the exempted portion that we want to compute. So here salary means salary includes basic pay plus DA forming part of salary and commission. Commission is not there in the question. So there are two items which constitute salary. Basic pay 10,000, dearness allowance 6,000 is the total DA received by John for 1 month. Half of that is includable for pension, means 3,000 is includable for pension, or that is given under the terms of employment. So salary for this purpose is 10,000 plus 3,000, 13,000. Okay, we are moving to the solution now. The first item is amount received, that is given here as the first item, 6 lakhs rupees. Maximum exemption is, the notified limit is 5 lakhs. Two items that we want to compute. 3 months salary for each year of completed service that we want to take. 3 months salary for each year of completed service. 13,000 is the salary for 1 month into 3. You will get 3 months salary into completed years of service 20. 7,80,000. 3 months salary for each completed years of service. 1 month salary 13,000 into 3. 3 months salary you will get into completed years of service 20. That is equal to 7,80,000. Next item is the salary of balance of months of service left before voluntary retirement. That we can express like salary of the last month into balance of service left in months. That I underline, left in months. That is important. So he retired at the age of 45. His remaining service is normal age of retirement of the company is 60 years. Retired voluntary retirement he availed at the age of 45. So his remaining years of service is 15 years. 45 and 60. 60 minus 45, that is 15 years. 15 years means 15 into 15 years means how many months? 15 into 12. 180 months. So he is having a remaining of 180 months. Right? That is the years of service left before voluntary retirement. 180 months. 180 months means 15 years. Here we want to take the months, number of months left. So 13,000 is the salary of 1 month into 180. That is the number of months left before the voluntary retirement. 23,40,000. Of the 4 items, the least figure is rupees 5 lakhs, which is the exempted amount. So the taxable amount is, total amount received on voluntary retirement is 6 lakhs rupees minus exempted amount 5 lakhs. Taxable portion of voluntary retirement compensation is rupees 1 lakh. Okay. So that's all about compensation received by an employee on voluntary retirement.